Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week I let you know that the Patch Tuesday security update for Windows 11 23H2 KB5077797 was causing shutdown and hibernation issues, which Microsoft had confirmed over on its known issues health dashboard page. And just a quick recap, Microsoft said that after installing the January 2026 Windows security update, which was KB5077455 for Windows 11 23H2, some PCs with secure launch were unable to shut down or enter hibernation. And instead, the device restarts. And in case you were unaware, secure launch uses virtualization-based security to protect the system from firmware level threats during startup, according to Microsoft. So that's what the issue was. Now, just a quick video to let you know that Microsoft now has resolved the issue, and it's confirmed this over on its health dashboard page, with Microsoft saying the issue is resolved in the out-of-band OOB update KB5077797, and OOB updates are also referred to as emergency updates, which was released on January the 17th, 2026, and is available via the Microsoft Update Catalog. And I'll leave this catalog in the description for easy access and reference. And what you would do is you would just find your version of 23H2, be that 64-bit or ARM-based. Here's the size for each, and you click on the download link and then download that to your local drive, and then you would execute that update package. And if you don't know how to download and install a update manually, I'll leave a video on that link down below and in the end screen. And OOB updates are not made available through the Windows Update page. Most of the time, Microsoft pushes them out using the Microsoft Update Catalog. And just on a side note, only install this update if you have experienced the issues that I've mentioned in the videos I've been posting on this known issue, else ignore the update. If you don't have the issue, it means you don't need the update. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.